Good afternoon. My name is Martin A. Smith. I'm the president at Wealthcare Financial Group, Incorporated. Wealthcare is a wealth management, retirement planning, and investment advisory firm. We're located in Peachtree City, Georgia, Maryland, and Washington, D.C. I'm happy to speak with you this evening by video, and I wanted to share some thoughts on the economy, the stock market, and some forecasts about what we may see going forward. Now, as you all know, the market has given back all of the gains that we've seen over the last 3 years. In fact, we've given back more than those gains. And now we've dipped into the territory of where the Dow was before President Obama left office. And so thankfully, here at Wealthcare Financial Group, myself and the other advisors that work here, we were able to sell for our clients on February 25th of this year. And we protected millions of dollars as a result. I'm very grateful for that. But that doesn't mean everyone was able to get out. And so I'm making this video to address those of you who are still hanging on and not really certain about what you should do. And you may feel dismayed and frightened, quite frankly, about not only healthcare, but also the well-being of your portfolio. So what should you do? We are a fiduciary firm. And in order for me to advise you, I have to have a conversation with you. I don't want to give blanket advice through a video without really knowing who I'm speaking to and understanding your values, your needs, your goals, and your risk tolerance. But I will advise you if you contact us. You can reach out to me by email. My email is below. Or you can call me. Our number is below. And I will review your portfolio and give you our perspective. We will run a comprehensive portfolio review with a comparative investment analysis. And I'll look at your asset allocation, the weighting of the various asset classes, such as small value, small growth, mid caps, large caps, real estate bonds, etc. And in light of where I think the economy is headed, and also looking forward to when I think we come out of this downturn in the market. Now, according to analysts on Wall Street, we are most likely headed into a recession. And I heard today, listening to the radio, that the federal government wants to create, this is unique, the federal government wants to create a V-shaped recession. I've never heard the federal government say we want to create a recession, but that's what I heard today. And the reason for that is they really want this thing to be over as fast as it started, and they want to limit loss through the injection of capital, stimulus, and incentives. And hopefully that will have an impact on the market. At least it did in 2008. The difference here is that we're talking about healthcare, and there's a lot of uncertainty in this regard. The market does not like uncertainty, and we don't have the data that the market wants to understand and project the future rate of the rate of mortality or the number of infections. And without that information, the market is just falling. We have data on viruses such as the flu, the common cold, and the market accepts those numbers. Even though the mortality rate with the flu is much higher than with the coronavirus, you don't see this type of bear market activity because of the flu. So when that data is not readily available, we really don't know how to project or what to project going forward. And until we have that information, it seems as though all the stimulus that's been thrown at the market hasn't really done a lot. And the Dow is down today 900 points. So again, here at our firm, we're offering an objective advice. And I really want you to think about this in perspective. And with respect to perspective, let me show you where we were in the past and help you understand, I think, where we're going. So this is the day that President Obama left office, roughly, January 20th, 2008. I'm trying to pinpoint it, but it's really hard. There, I got it. The Dow is at 12,207.17. Here's the Great Recession, and here's the run-up to the day that Donald Trump took office. Roughly around January 20th, 2017. The Dow there is 20,093.78. And here we are today, 19,173.98. Now look at this activity. The peak here is about, what, 29,300 roughly. There we go, 29,398.08. And then we free fell. If you were investing for the long haul through the Obama presidency, you probably still have these gains in your portfolio. You've given back these gains, but what about these gains? Now, here's where you have to be very careful. You've got to make a decision. If you have not sold, now we sold again on February 25th of this year. We got out, thankfully. I'm grateful. But if you're still in the market and you're not sure what to do, and some people are saying, oh, we'll just ride it out. Well, we don't know where the bottom is. And if we go into a recession, we could end up anywhere along this path, along this trend line here. The bottom could be here. It could be here. We don't know where the bottom is. And I don't know where the bottom is. I just know that there will be a bottom. And you've got to be getting some advice from an advisor, hopefully, to help you make this decision. You've got to ask yourself, is it worth holding on and giving back all of these gains? Or do you cut bait at some point, let the market find a bottom, get back in, and Lord willing, hopefully ride it back up to the top? That's a decision you've got to make with someone who's assisting you. We are happy to help you make a decision that's prudent for you, but in order to do so, and with being a fiduciary in that regard, I've got to understand a lot more about you before I can make a decision and say, here's what I suggest that you do. So that's why I say, give us a call and we will review the portfolio. We will get granular with our analysis and our research, and we'll give you a recommendation that we believe is suitable. Okay. So again, happy that you were able to sit through this video, and thank you for your time. We wish you well. Please stay safe and have a wonderful evening. God bless.